Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. So today we are going to be talking about if-else conditions in Python. If-else statement allow us to create conditional logic, which is fundamental part of programming. Now you will be wondering what is if-else statements. An if-else statement is a programming construct that allow us to execute different blocks of code based on whether certain condition is true or false. The basic structure of an if-else statement is this. First you write if, then a condition, then your statement, then else, then your statement. Else is colon, then statement. After if and else, colon is must. If you don't add colon, it will give you an error. So here's one example for one if-else condition. So here we are checking if one number is even or odd. So we have declared a variable num and we have put one value 10. We then use an if else statement to check if the number is even or odd. If the number is even, we print the message the number is even. And if the number is odd, we print the message the number is odd. So as you can see here, we gave if, then our condition, then colon, and then else, then colon, then our statement. And after if also we have given our statement. So this is the format of writing an if else condition. And here's one more example of checking if you are eligible to vote or not. So we have declared a variable age and we have put in value 18. So if our person age is greater than or equals to 18, they are eligible to vote. And if their age is not greater or equals to 18, if their age is less than 18, then they are not eligible to vote. So it's just that simple program. Now we will run it and you will see the output. Here you can see the first one we put 10, so the number is even, and the second one the age was 18, the number is, and you are eligible to vote. So here you can make this program complicated. And now you will ask, how can we make this program complicated? You can ask user to input the values in this and then to tell if it's even or odd. And same here in this eligible, if you are eligible to vote or not. In this also you can ask user to input values and then you can tell if they are eligible to vote or not. So for inputting value, you can just input by int, input and enter the value or something like that. And if I do here 15, on under num variable, we are giving value 15. So it will give us the value is odd. I mean, it will give us the number is odd. As you can see, the number is odd. And like this, if instead of 18, I put 17 here, you're not eligible to vote. So like this, if and else condition works. First it it is looking what is the num value, it's 15. Okay, it will go under if, then under if condition it will match with this. If 15 is if 15 divided by 2 gives us remainder 0, then it will go under if condition, then we will see the number is even. If this condition is not true, it will not go here, it will go directly to else condition, and in else it says print number is odd. So in this, same here in example 2, same. Under age variable we are giving age is 17, so it will go in first if condition, it will check if this condition is true. If it's true, it will go under this condition. If it's false, it will directly go to else condition. So this is how it works. This is how if statement works. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any suggestion for next video or if you have any doubts, you can put a comment. I will reply to that and I will clear your doubts. Thank you for watching.